Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor Magic V2 and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and the first thing you have to do is to enter notifications and status bar. So do not go to the battery because those options are not available right there. We have to open notifications and status bar and then tap on status bar, which is at the top right now. And as you can see at the bottom, we've got the battery percentage option, so simply tap on it, and we've got three options to choose from. The outside option, which is currently applied in my case, so the percentage is visible. Inside, so the percentage is inside the battery icon, so it is slightly smaller as you can see, or hide it completely and we've got only the battery indicator. It's up to you which option you prefer. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.